You go put now 1 level spoon for this pig milk. Now in this so 1 level spoon. Remember, 1 level spoon now you need them. No go put plenty those that not show you all thing. So you go put 1 level spoon for your plenty carrot una know. So now carrot give you all that glow. You know about carrot. You know if you joke now. All this will not be happy with carrot not there. So we go grate a small carrot. You put them for inside. Yes. But if you want glow plenty where it shine so like sun, if you put now 2 of the kind carrot there. Follow. It remain 4 or 5. I thought we put how many spoon again? We don't put 2. That meeting. Okay, remain 3. We'll go for number 3. Hey yo, the glow, all we must glow. Hello my dear fixers. Hello everyone. Hope everyone is doing fine. Today I just want to reveal my secret because I've had so many people come to me and say, Josie, what are you using on your face? Your face is so smooth, your face is so clear, you're glowing, you're this, you're that, and I've just been smiling. And today I decided to share my secret, and that's what I'm doing here. I'm sorry that I'm doing this in the kitchen. I just have to put everything practical so you see. And please, after this video, I don't want to see anyone come and say, oh Josie, you're glowing, what are you using? Because this right here is my little secret that I'm sharing with you all. So just follow, watch, learn, and you choose to practice if you want to. But I think you will like it. So yeah, all my ingredients are here. You know, if you want to have that glowy, see my face, glowy face, clear skin, like no dark spots, you know what I'm saying, right? Yeah, this is that video that you have been waiting for since the beginning of this year, and I decided to bring it to you today. I'm generous like that. So yeah, I just want to share my recipe for clear skin, clear glowy face. Like I already said, I don't want to repeat that a lot. So we are here today to do our little, how should I put it, our DIY face mask or face pomade. Call it anything you want to call it, I don't even remember. So that English is not very easy. I will talk with pidgin. You see, I want to make some small way it will help you for shine, for glow. As you see Josie, so you say, Josie, you're looking good, Josie, your face is shine plenty, you don't get pimples, you don't get dark head, you know this, you know that. I really want to get that kind of shiny face like you. I beg you with secret. I don't just tonton una today. I say make I give una that secret though, because wait till friends and before. I don't feel get my own people where they follow me, they look up to me, my subscribers who I like and plenty, and then I'm going to keep the kind of secret for una. You know, show fashion, not be fashion, not be fashion be that. And so as today for July, I say, okay, we'll not reach second half for the year. No need for see the carry secret and small secret for side there. Say my show. So yeah, we will start the recipe. I don't want the DIY facial glowy pomade. So follow me, make we go. Now my bowl this one I don't really get them for here. Now the bowl now for here all thing will happen. Now for here will mix all thing. So I hope so you understand. So if you know say you really want to follow, as you see the bowl, so you get to go find your own bowl. You pick and so hold as a whole and so, because now start I've already start. Yes, now bowl this I don't wash the bowl. The bowl see they clean. If you see small that's the drop for there. I don't really wash the bowl. Now bowl this I will keep on for here. I will keep up on top this stone so that maybe you see I'm fine for years, so you know if you see I the film for kitchen because picking they worry me for parlor and noise they for outside. I know say picking in the 40 days, so I don't want to the noise really disturb one and a why that we come. Yes, we will start now with honey. You know the health benefit for honey. I don't want to talk plenty. All we know say honey. I don't finish syrup and not get honey for house. Now why that is now up to 5 liters they make for year. I don't use as well it make like 1 liter. So now because say I don't fit do without honey when I know. So yeah, for honey you go take now. If you really want glow, if you put now normally I put now 2-3 spoons. But as when I really want glow past me, why when I know put 5 spoons? Why? Why you know put 5 spoons until you put 5 spoons for honey? 1. I hope so you count them. Now 1 spoon that I will put down. We'll go for number 2. 2. Number 2 spoon that I will put down. I beg no mistake. Now 2 spoons this I will put down. It remain how many? It remain 4 or 5. I thought you put how many spoon again? We don't put 2. That meeting. Okay, remain 3. We'll go for number 3. Hey yo, the glow, all we must glow. 3. Oh, honey expensive. 4. I don't want to miss the one to go for down. Honey no easy now, so forget that. Especially forget the honey. The one way come right for Oku. The one way na original honey where they never add water for inside. And the one so you find for user. Na 5 spoon away, I don't put that. So more don't drop for here. I will put them for there. I don't want to make waste. So I don't put my 5 spoons for honey. And then if when I don't see I'm fine, na 5 spoons honey that way I don't put that my people. I hope so when I see I'm fine. Yes, I don't put 5 spoons for honey. For that face where you want really glow fine. I hope so you follow. For that face where you want really glow, where you feel stand like for my 17. You know it, I don't know. If you stand like for my 17, person stand for up station for my mender, it is see you. Now so the face good day. So yeah, when I just follow, you go come now. Now tomato this. When I know the health benefit for tomato, I don't want to plenty. Tomato, know how tomato they make your skin. You understand. So you go grate your small tomato. You take your time. You grate your small tomato. If you follow, I hope so you don't pick your tomato and your grater. For your small tomato for day, greater. So you see and say the juice on the commode. When you make potatoes, the 4 for inside, you want only juice and that small tomato. Yeah, you go greater and saute. You leave us so not greater or greater than half. You know one plate, you don't need plenty. So now you keep on my side. You go need to wait again. All we know, say carrot. Yes, sorry, I be one greater than carrot before that interruption. But yeah, una know the health benefit for carrot. I don't want to plenty carrot. Una know. So now carrot give you all that glow. You know about carrot. You know if you joke now. All the thing of you happen with carrot not there. So we'll get a small carrot. You put them for inside. Yes. But if you want glow plenty where it shine so like sun, if you put now 2 of the kind carrot there. Follow. You go grate your carrot. Greater and fine. Greater your carrot fine. Where you don't greater the carrot. So I just show now. I know if you take plenty time to greater all the carrot. We don't put that one. You leave one. You come now. Now your garlic this. You know how in garlics. Oh, una know about garlics. Una know. Maybe I don't want to talk plenty. I need to talk plenty. I don't even know how to talk. So for side for garlics get plenty health benefits. If you ask and they will tell you, say garlic's fine for the chewamo, garlic's fine for even people that use garlic for all kinds of things they need, then garlic be very important for your health. So you know if you do the kind of important thing, you know put garlic. So you put your garlics, no grinder, no grater the garlics, just do it. And this you drop the garlic inside so. You drop the garlic as I drop and so I hope so you follow one. You drop your garlic inside. But if you want shine plenty, shine, you fit add another 1 clove. The garlic too not easy for people. You go add another clove for garlic for day. My people, I don't think no find secrets so for Jansa, I not share and for or no do one a homemade to DIY. Not be Jansa, do one a natural. A natural glow, this sorry me, I don't go course and call and say Jansa. A natural glow, not in Jansa. So now that clothes for garlic, for that body, you want shine fine, so the sun. Where they want me their face shine past my own, so you put on 2 clothes for garlic today. Yeah, you drop her again, don't forget. You drop them as I drop her. And then wait till the miss her. Wait till I don't forget, no egg. You know, una know, na egg this no. I go use it for broke. I don't want to waste this man. Anyway, I will try for broker. Fine. You take now this spoon with small honey did. But if you get different way if you broke the egg, they use them. But you will use the way you know the way you take and broke the egg so that you go move now only that white part so that you make a small hole for the. No use power on top the egg. Yes, na small. I hope so you don't see what you want to do. I don't bust na waiting. I bust na small hole for here. That's why I will take her. and move now only that white place for the una dey see am now. I hope say you see am. Oh, na only the part ma come closer. Now only you dey see wetin I dey do now. Now only that whitish part na we will need am. Now so as I don't move am now, so we'll keep the one. Now I make sure that it go. You want glow now. Now the glow thing that I try to show you. So then after I don't put that one now, it will come. Yeah, onion this. I don't know ever see that one. But for the glow, you go put some more onion. No miss no step. You go put some more onion there. You know where you glow, and then you glow the common color. You shine. Person see you. Only don't forget onion for here. I take knife. Now sorry me, I'm gonna take knife. Now knife I don't take and so. You go cut your small onion, cut and style. You go cut your small onion, then not even bother for wash me. No, or I get problem. No, we don't have African no. That's in a kima. That's not ever kima. So you cut your small onion. You see the one you take and cut them. You don't put your onion for inside now. I hope so you see the way I cut them. No go cut them on swaggaliciously. You need to cut the onions for some stylish way. So you take your time. You cut the onion with style. You put them for inside. Then after that one now, you get some one thing way. Now you go make all thing go. You go spark. You go help for pop up the glow. I hope so na know. That one na pepper. You go take small pepper like you want, so this kind small round red pepper. Aim for inside. And then so all that thing there, well, I don't almost forget them. I don't put all ingredients where I forget that thing. I don't fit forget them because I no fit hide una this secret. If I want show na something, I get to show na all thing. I no go show someone, leave someone. I go gain weight if I do and so. So when I wait, I take the last thing. I hope so if you suspect the thing, guess the thing, guess the last thing, guess. You know. It's if he help you for glow fine. Wait, you know for you, I don't forget that. I almost forget that. Wait, I show you. Now in this so you see this pig milk. Use na pig milk. Make sure say you use na pig milk. No make mistake. Use na pig milk. You take your pig milk. Oh yes. So as you don't take your pig milk, you want so you go put now 1 level spoon for this pig milk. Now in this so 1 level spoon. Remember, 1 level spoon now you need them. No go put plenty just I'm not show you all thing. So you go put 1 level spoon for your pig milk. Take note you use na pig milk. Don't go use some different milk. And say, oh, just not show you what thing. Na pig milk way I don't use them for here. I don't want me to go quote me differently. Say that's the way just to show you no work. Follow all instruction, follow all step, and you know how you drop on style. That's how you drop out. And then you keep them. All things don't be set. All things don't be. Now for here now where you go stir them. You go stir them. When you stir them, you dance. Stir them with joy. So that when you apply them for your skin, the glow the day different. You stir them with small joy. You smile, you stir. You smile because the smile matter. The smile when you smile, it matter. No what take strong face, anger, do things them. You do one with joy, with happiness. Because one of the things they do, it will help you for grow. It will help one of the things the way it will help you to for glow at the state of your mind. You get to be happy. Because happiness to the count with glow. So as you make the special facial pomade on a pomade, anyone, you go remember say smile go daily and you go stare around with style. Hey, now wait till the happen for us here. Now wait till the happen. Wait till the happen. Now wait till the happen. Get the can't create for outside for glow. As in. Now. When I slow down, Una slow down, please. If you are not comfortable with the way God made you, and you think that you want to, you just want to glow up a bit, you just want to, mommy, uncle, because maybe uncle then dey for the table, not only girl them, go meet a dermatologist. Seek proper professional advice from person wey be trained. All the thing they mix and go backside them for inside some big drum them, put fire they hot jugu 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 jugu. It go lead you now to some serious thing where money no go there for cure am. I don't talk my own. Una avoid for big thing there for quarter. All man don't be na person where they mix oil. You want see waiting this thing glow. You want see this a facial glow. This they get some kind name the way I know even female man and say for talk am. Me I dey fear me for use that thing them o. I dey fear for eventual kind thing the woman face especially. So I beg una oh, una slow down. Una slow down. If you really want shine, use the right products then. And where you will only get the advice from a professional as I talk. Get your products then from the right vendors the way they sell original products then. All the thing the way you work and pick and say, some get it for you, the way they mix my oil, some get it for me, the way mix you oil for you, you give it 1 week. Anyway, I don't talk my own. See you guys in my next one. Please like the video, share, and follow me for more. Subscribe to my channel. Please give the video a thumbs up. See you guys. Don't forget for add super pepper.